ganda ng effect. And this is a better view of the hospital where my sister works at. Diba? Parang airport. Ganda ng weather ngayon. Okay, so nag-picture taking lang po tayo. So naiwan na po ang inyong lingkod, ladies and gentlemen, men. Because this is the best view I got of the entire hospital complex. Kaya, might as well take a video of it. I also like how beautiful the sunlight is. Yung rays niya ang ganda. Paandar. Kaya ni video ko. Oo, pako. Yung literal na hinahati niya yung pula. Ganda ng weather. Malamig, obviously, kasi may tsura namin, tignan nyo. Pero, it's more comfortable because of the sun. And the photos don't give it justice. Ang ganda ng scene again. Parang bulaklak. Ito baka ma-allergy ka. Parang nga. Oh, ganda. Parang na oo nga, parang cherry blossoms din siya. Ano itsura niya? Everything. Oh, the weather is beautiful and comfortable. Oo naman. So yan, anyway, salamat po at sinamahan nyo kami sa lakad namin. Ang munting walkathon from the hospital to the GP, ibang direksyon naman. Sana po na-enjoy nyo. Punta na kami GP kasi may kukunin kami. At syempre, kalalabas lamang po namin ng GP at in less than 2 minutes, winter na po ulit. Wala na po ang araw. Balik na naman tayo sa Lamigo, Lamiga. Balik po tayo sa dati. Malamig na naman ang ating kapaligiran. So there you have it. In less than 5 minutes. Pero happy pa rin. Kasi compared than other days naman po, mas comfortable ngayon. At muli po, maraming salamat sa paganda at pagsubaybay ng vlog. Please don't forget to like and share the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Maraming salamat po.